welcome back to another video. This video is so exciting because in the mail came this big package. This is from the Bloodlust collection, Jeffree Star. I'm going to be opening it up, seeing what my mama got for me. A little hint, I already know what she got. But I'm going to open this up for you guys, show you what I got, and let's get started. Per usual, I have my green knife for my unboxing. Sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's green, but today we are doing green. I kind of have an audience today while I'm filming this video. My husband's over there watching me. My mom's behind the camera. I got the two dogs in here. All we're missing is Zay in the background. So when you open up the package, you guys can see that it comes with the purple wrapping paper. You know what I love. So let's open this up and just look at the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh my god, and it comes on hangers. And then I have the windbreaker. Oh my god, you guys are going to see them because I'm going to put them on in a few minutes. But OMG. Look at what we got here. And then of course it comes with the little is it like a pamphlet flyer type thing with Jeffree on the front and then the palette on the back. I want to make something with them because I have so many, so I'm definitely going to be saving that one. But here is what everyone has been talking about, raving about, and I can't wait to open this up and see what it looks like in person. I'm only going to swatch a few of them just because, if you're a makeup lover, you already watched Jeffree Star's, revealing and swatching of this palette. So, I don't want to, do it again since you already saw it like I have. But, oh my goodness, the velvet. This palette is, so expensive looking. Jeffree Star's palettes, I have a ton of makeup palettes, and none of them compare to Jeffree's. Look at this. I love the shape. I love the color. I love, the way it opens. So let's open this up. I'm just going to cover the top where the mirror is. So in his video, he said that they were going to put a plastic seal. I believe this is the first time of him doing this because I don't remember having a plastic on my other palettes. But this is what it looks like. Let me remove the plastic. And OMG, I can't wait to swatch these two because he said that was new formulas. And I'm excited. So I'm definitely going to be swatching Wet Jewel, Pink Magic, and I'm also going to swatch Executioner just because when I saw that swatch that Jeffree did, it was is that for real? I'm not sure, I need to see it for myself. I'm going to swatch Wet Jewel first. If you don't know what that shade looks like, it is the light pink color. Go watch Jeffree's video, then come back to mine because I don't want to keep holding the palette up. I'm too excited, I want to swatch. Alright, so I'm just going to rub my finger right on it. Wow. Oh my god, let me do it again. That literally, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I want to put this on my hand. That looks stunning. I'm definitely going to be filming a look with this tomorrow, 100%. I'm going to be using these colors and I can't wait. So let's now swatch Pink Magic. It's more of a purpley pink color. Look at this one too. Wow, I'm going to do another one just because I like to pack it on a little bit more. I'm definitely creating a look with these two colors on my lid. They both look so metallic and like Jeffree said, they look wet. And I can't wait to put some Jeffree Star setting spray. I have the Morphe Jeffree one. And imagine that a little damp will be even more on the eye. So the last color that I want to swatch, because when I do my video creating a look with this palette, I maybe will, go a little bit more into depth. Maybe not. Maybe I will. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But either way, I'm filming a look. But let me dip into Executioner. Wow, it is black with the sparkle in it. How do they create color? That's black, but with purple glitter in it. How do they do that? Now imagine that color all over your lid for a black smoky eye, but you have the sparkle in between the black. That would just be a smoky eye, above and beyond, because I used to put black glitter on top of my black smoky eyes to get a look like this, but the fact that it's purple, it gives like a little bit more of an accent to just a plain black smoky eye. Good thing is these colors do wipe off nicely, but you will be left with like glitter all over your face. Who doesn't love glitter? I do, so I don't mind having some specks of glitter all over my face because I want to be like Edward Cullen. I want to sparkle and shine when I hit the sun. So I am going to put this palette aside because I want to do like talk more about it, swatch more of the colors, play with this palette like I do when I get a new palette. I like to play. So that is what we're going to be doing when I film a look with this tomorrow. Not sure when that will be up, but I am going to be filming it, so stay tuned for that. I've been updating you guys on when I'll be posting on my Instagram. I'm trying to get on a new schedule. I don't want to say, oh, I'm going to be posting this day, this day, this day, this day, and then I can't. So I'm just kind of going with the flow, trying to get into a routine for you guys. So let's try on these jackets. So I have the windbreaker right here. I'm so excited because when I like saw these, I thought, oh my god. And then my mom, you know, called me up and she was like, oh, I ordered you some stuff. And I was like, oh, what'd you get me? And she was like, you know my mom, you guys. I could only get you one jacket. Which one did you want? And I said, well, which one did you get? Like, because I was perfect with either or, because I don't think you guys understand how much I love Jeffree and everything that he comes out with. So I was like, I like whatever. And she was like, just tell me which one you'd want. Tell me which one you want. And at the end of the conversation, she was like, I got you both. And I was like, oh my god, she's amazing. So let me just show you what it looks like opened up. It's a windbreaker. I feel like this is a perfect jacket going into spring. You can wear this in the summer, transitioning into fall. Not a winter jacket unless you're like me that I still wear slides and flip-flops out in the wintertime. I know I have my Jeffree Star slides right here and I'm wearing them out and it's still pretty cold out. So, you know me, whatever. I still gotta look cute. I don't care if it's cold or not. So this is perfect. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, like I just love the colors. Alright, so this is what the windbreaker looks like. So comfy. I just love, oh my god, I didn't even realize you had the two-tone underneath the arms with the logo. Oh, I'm wearing this tomorrow. I don't think I'm going anywhere tomorrow, but I'm definitely wearing this. I actually might be going to a cycle class, so probably will be rocking this. This is what the back looks like. This is what the side looks like. This is what this side looks like, and this is the front. Oh, I forgot what this one looked like. When I was on the phone with my mom, I was like, I don't even remember really what the other one looked like. Oh. This is sharp, you guys. It has the really pretty purple, the gold Jeffree Star logo. The inside lining is purple. Oh, it has a pocket up here. And these pockets zipper. My other jacket, it didn't zipper. It was just an open slitted pocket. So I love that zippers because maybe I want to throw my wallet in there and not carry my bag. I don't want it to accidentally fall out. And then on the back, it has the gold Jeffree Star with the crown. This material, first of all, before I get into that, let me just show you guys the hangers real quick. Even the hangers, the quality is phenomenal. It's like these hangers, if you were to probably sell them in a pack, it'd probably be pretty expensive because these ain't no cheap hangers like you can get from the Dollar Tree, which I get my hangers there. I ain't gonna front. I love Dollar Tree. It's $1 and you can't beat that, okay? I got a baby. I gotta save some money, so if I can get some hangers for $1, I will. So this hanger is really, really nice quality. Like if he does come out with a pack of those, I might have to buy them. But well, my mom might have to buy them, let's be real. She's my Jeffree Star buyer and all the other things. But I love her and I can't like thank her enough. But the quality of this jacket, same with the other one. Of course, the windbreaker is a lot thinner. It feels like a windbreaker jacket. This one has some weight to it. The quality is just phenomenal. I can tell that both these jackets, it's not going to be like I'm going to wear them and they're going to rip. Or, you know what I mean? Like this is... my god, I don't know which one I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So this is what this one looks like. I love the purple color with the black, with the gold. It's kind of like an eye look I would do, you know, gold with purple with black. Maybe I'll do something like that for Bloodlust. I'm not quite sure. But this is what the back looks like. Alright, you guys, I am jumping in my own video right here. This is like a few days after I filmed it. Oh, the wind is coming, which I have lashes on and it's making my eyes water. But I did play with the Bloodlust palette, which is just, you know, extraordinary. Jeffree goes above and beyond. You guys know how I feel about Jeffree products. But I did a look, but I will be filming a different type of look on my channel. I just wanted to, you know, play with it, do a little, you know, just play while my son was in the other room. So this is the look I came up with for today. So I wanted to hop in my own video real quick because I do have 2 jackets from Jeffree Star, and then I just got the other 2 Bloodlust ones, but the sizing is different. They are all XL, but the 2 that I got for Bloodlust, they're definitely a lot smaller, so I feel like this batch is definitely smaller than the other ones that I've got. So I'm going to try on my old ones and then put my new ones on just so you guys can see the difference, just so you know. But I mean, it's totally fine. It just gives me more of a goal to fit into these jackets and be able to zip them up fully. They look good open, but I also want to be able to zip them up. So kind of a little weight loss goal. You guys know I'm on a weight loss journey. So I'm going to put on my jackets and show you guys the difference just so you can see. But sorry that I had to hop in and not say it before. But I mean, hey, at least I got to be all glam, because in that video, it was very like a chill, subtle, like lip gloss type of look. So you guys can see me, you know, glam. Oh, look at that Jeffree Star glow. Okay, so let me put on my jackets so you guys can see. So we're gonna do the jackets that are very similar. They both have like that silk material. So this is my older one. Mom, hold this one for me. So this one I got definitely a few years ago, I'd feel. So you guys can see, and then I can also button it. So I don't want to button it fully because I got long nails, so it's a struggle. But you guys can see I can fully close this one. This is what the back looks like. I most of the time just wear it open because that's the look that I like. So I don't mind that these ones are a little bit smaller. But this one definitely is like a true XL, maybe like a little looser, I don't know. So let me try this one on so you guys can see the difference. Now, the other one was a button up and it did not have any zippers for the pockets. I mentioned that in my video already. I like that it's a zipper jacket. Maybe that's why it's a little smaller. I don't know. But let me put this one on. I can already tell by the back it's a little smaller. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Can't zip it up. This is something to work into. I mean, I can get it right here. Let me suck my tummy in a little bit. I don't wanna break it, but yeah, you guys can see I could get it zipped, but your girl needs to lose like another 10 pounds for it to fully fit. So definitely a lot smaller. Scott, when did I get this one? Oh, in the Valentine's Day, right? The Valentine's Day collection. Now, love this jacket. You guys can see I can zipper this one up too. Only like thing that I have with this jacket is, oh my god, it's so soft, it's so cute. But if you have animals like me where hair gets everywhere, lint, and the only color that you wear is black, this jacket is gonna be kind of a pain in the butt for you. But I mean, we washed it and it seems like, you know, it got out a lot of the hair. There's still a little bit of lint. It's just the material. So if you live in a house with no animals and you don't have lint, or you can lint roll all the time, this jacket would be perfect for you. This jacket's still perfect for me because I don't care, you know. I rock my animal hair because I love my animals. But I love this jacket. You guys can see I can zip it fully up. I still have a lot of room. I love the back of it. Just definitely like a Jeffree Star statement. You guys can see I'm rocking my Jeffree Star slides too. I definitely need to get a pedicure, so don't come at me in the comments about, girl, you need to get that fixed. I know. So I can zipper this one fully up. So comfortable. I think I'm going to wear this one today, honestly, because it's just so warm. Oh my god, I hope my eyelash doesn't come off because my eyes are watering. And then right here is the windbreaker jacket, as I struggle to put it on. Alright, so you guys can see this one as well. Now, it reminds me of like my... Girl, did I just like drop some water weight or something? Because why can't I zip this one up? Alright. Maybe I ate too many carbs the other day because, girl, I couldn't zipper it up unless I pulled it up over my hips. So, okay, I feel good. That's a little accomplishment for me because I was feeling a little down. But, okay, love this. But you guys can still see it's a little bit tighter right here. So if I drop just a little bit more weight. But you guys, they're all extra larges, so you can see that they all run differently. So don't feel discouraged if you go to a different store and you get an extra large and it's too small or too big, because clearly they all run differently in sizes. So I just wanted to hop in my own video just to share with you guys my 2 older jackets and my, well, not older because the Valentine's Day was just like, what, a few weeks ago. But those 2 jackets are definitely more normal XL to a little bit bigger, and these batches of jackets are a little bit smaller and snugger. So just wanted to hop in and I will finish up the video now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. If you're new here, I hope that you stick around, you subscribe, join the Diva Squad, also click the notification bell so you are notified on when I post a new video, and I will see you divas in my next video. Bye guys!